Hey guys, today we're doing another farming simulated video, and if you weren't aware, the reason I'm making it or later in the day is because I had school today, so that's why. Well, you probably saw in the thumbnail, this is why you clicked on it. I got a new farm truck. Well, I tried to not do things so fast and film me getting it, but it didn't work, and the YouTube wouldn't let me post the video for some reason. And so, well, I sold the Dodge Power Wagon that we restored for $50,000, and guess what? Check out what I got. I got a Chevy K30 flatbed with big old tires and rims on it, with a forestry bumper and light bar. Chevy K30 Silverado. Sounds good. It's a V8 supercharged. Inside looks really good. Yeah. That's what I got. It's pretty cool. Let me show you something. You can actually unfold this thing. If you guys know what that does, tell me in the comment section, because I really do not know what that does. I mean, it unfolds it, but I don't know what the purpose of it for is. Yeah, it's got a gooseneck, Bradford bed, expendables, what do you call it? License plate. Lots of detail. Another expendables license plate. It looks like it's lifted. This thing is pretty cool. I'm gonna drive it around a little bit. Yeah, it's a Chevrolet 6.2 liter Detroit V8 supercharged. So it is powerful. It has a lot of horsepower. Whenever I move it, it wobbles the whole truck, but that's okay. You can't actually see out of the mirrors. Oh no, almost flipped there. But in a future video, I'm gonna get a K30 mud truck. So it's lifted and it has mud tires. It'll be pretty cool. I look forward to doing that video. So yeah. If you didn't already see in my last video, we did a John 3.0. It's pretty cool. I mean, we built it out of the same truck that John 2.0 was made out of. We just took the dually off, put a new bed in. Go watch that video if you want to see it. If you like my videos, you probably will want to see it. This is just a short little video of what happened. Yes, I did sell the Dodge Charger, and yes, I did fix the K5, the Chevy K5 with the pink metallic on it. If you didn't already see, we put mud tires on it and actually went mudding, and the mud was super slick, and we hit a fence. We hit a barbed wire fence. I never even been to this part of the map. I'm gonna look what's up here. Yeah, we hit a barbed wire fence, and it destroyed destroyed the axle. We got that fixed. And it's where the old Dodge power wagon was. It's in the old barn. We still use it. I'm just taking a look at this Ford. Nice license plate. That's a nice truck. So yeah, this is gonna be the main farm truck. You guys are probably gonna be mad that I'm taking my attention off of the Ford Highboy, but I'm really not. I still like the Highboy. I'm still gonna drive it. This is just gonna be a new main farm truck. So yeah. Well, this was just a short little video of what happened. I'll probably upload another video today. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.